Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've literally just recorded one video showing you guys what I think are useful things to buy from Amazon. I'm here, I'm set up, and I thought, you know what, let me just carry on filming and do my second video, which is skincare empties. So if you're interested in seeing what things that I've gone through over the last couple of months, then stay tuned. So the first two things I want to talk about is hand cream. These two are ones that I got from a shop in Manchester called Body Care. It's literally my heaven. I just love it. You can just go crazy in there. Everything's super duper affordable. And yeah, sometimes the brands are not ones that you've heard of, but this one, this hand cream is so great. It's so hydrating. It's fragrance free, which is even better. And these are so cheap as well. Literally, they were like £1 or something daft like that for 75ml. And it's got a vitamin E in there and glycerin. And obviously I love it because I've been through 2 tubes of it already. I've got a third one, which I'm using at the moment as well, which obviously I really love. So those are the first two things. So the next thing that I finished is this sunscreen here, and it's one by Bow and their brand of Ali, and it's their extra UV gel SPF 50 PA+++. This one I didn't really love, to be honest. I found that it smelled really strongly of alcohol. The consistency was quite nice, but at the same time it was also quite oily and greasy. So I actually ended up using this one on my body because I thought I've spent a ton of money on this, so I'm definitely not going to just chuck it away. And it was a mineral sunscreen as well, which I just love. I love mineral sunscreens. They're the best for me anyway. But yeah, I was really disappointed with this one, but I did manage to use it. And I think that's a really great tip for you guys. If you have a product that you don't like or that doesn't work on your face, use it on different areas of your body, you know, on your arms, on your legs, on your like dry bits, on your elbow or on your knees and things like that, just to get them used, because otherwise you're kind of just wasting money, unless you can like gift it to somebody else. Yeah, so this was fine on the body. It was fine once it sort of settled down a little bit and stopped being a bit greasy. But yeah, disappointed with it, but an empty. And then another sunscreen that I've got, which is this one here, which is the La Roche-Posay Anthelios Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. This is hands down one of my favorite mineral sunscreens. I absolutely adore this, and I was so upset when it actually finished because I was like, because you can't get this in the UK. It's so upsetting that you can't get it here. It's such a wonderful formula. La Roche-Posay, get yourself sorted. Yeah, this would do really well in the UK. It's a mineral sunscreen that doesn't leave a ridiculous white cast. Like, there is a slight tint there, but it's not that bad. It's not as bad as some other ones that I've tried. It's water resistant, it's SPF 50, it protects against UVA and UVB rays, which is definitely what you want in a sunscreen. Yeah, I really wish they would bring this in the UK. So sad that it's gone. Next thing that I finished is this, which is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. Fragrance free obviously as well. Did a review on this. Absolutely love it. Think it's slightly overpriced. Put the review that I actually did down below in the description if you want to go check that out. But yeah, one of my favorites. Can go through this really quickly. I think this little tub is probably about a month and a half, and it'll be gone, which is the only thing that I'm really dislike about it. I think if you get more product, it would be worth the £12 or £13 that you'd have to pay for it. For 50ml of product, I don't really think it's worth it. But yeah, really love this. Really great. The next thing that I finished is this Lactic Acid by The Ordinary. And to say finish is a bit misleading, but not at the same time, because I can't use this because it's sort of gone. I don't know whether you can see the colour. It's a really weird kind of colour, but that's not what it looks like. Okay, this is the result of air and being affected by different things such as sunlight and time and things like that. So I stopped using this because the efficacy of that is really going to deteriorate after a certain point. So I would say that it's an empty because I'm not going to be using it. I used quite a lot of it, as you can see, and this is one of my absolute favourite AHAs to use. It's so great for sensitive skin types. I really love this. If you do have sensitive skin and you want to figure out how to use acids, check out my video. I'll pop that down below in the description, or I'll put it up here or something. And I've got a really great way for you guys to actually use acids without aggravating your skin. A little tip for you, so go check that out. So the next thing that I finished was these makeup wipes. They're the ones from Primark, and you get them in a twin pack, 2 packs for £1, which is really cheap, and you get 20 wipes in each pack. And then the multivitamin biodegradable facial cleansing sheets. Now, you're probably all going to be like, oh my god, you still use makeup wipes. No, I don't still use makeup wipes. I use these to actually clean my skincare items. And sometimes if I have gone out and I've had a bit too much to drink, or it's really, really late and I'm exhausted, I will use the makeup wipe. Sue me, yeah, but they are convenient, I'll give them that. And I obviously still wash my face and do the rest of it, but it's so much better sometimes. And I love the fact that they're biodegradable as well. That really makes me feel better about having wipes in my possession at all. So yeah, really, really love those. They're fragrance free as well, so definitely ticks some boxes for me. The next thing is this baby, which is my CeraVe moisturizing cream, my absolute favorite. If you watch this channel or you see me on Instagram, you follow me or whatever, you'll know that I adore this. And I'm going to stop waffling on because yeah, there's not much else to say apart from the fact that this is the bomb. It's so great for all skin types. It's fragrance free, contains ceramides, which are really great for repairing your skin barrier. You get tons of product for a minimal price, I think, and I think this is great for all skin types. So yeah, love this. I also finished this little tube of it. It came in this packaging, and I got this when I was abroad, and I finished that as well. It's the same thing. Yeah, love. Okay, the next thing is a conditioner, and it's this one from Dove, and it's their Colour Care Conditioner for colour treated hair. I only really have some leftover colour at the bottoms of my hair. You can't really even see it anymore, but that's the only reason why I bought this one, just because I didn't want it to go sort of a weird colour. And I can't say that this really made any difference, to be honest. It didn't make my hair feel particularly soft or anything. I think it was just an alright kind of conditioner. The one that I love is from Aussie. It's their moisture conditioner, and it's just like I just love it. It just makes such a difference to my hair. But this one, yeah, it was alright. It was fine. I think it'd be fine for maybe normal hair if your hair's not too knotty, but mine is just like a knot fest. So it wasn't that great for me. The next thing that I've got is this cream here, and it's the Skinner Family Medical Cream. It contains vitamin E and other stuff which I don't know because it's all in a different language. But this was like a really like thick balm. I don't know whether you can see the remainder of it in there. It was like a really thick balm, and this was so great for your feet. This was just so great at helping the tough skin on your feet. Really, really loved this, and this got used actually quite quickly. Between me and my husband, we just like slathered this all over our feet, and it's just done real wonders. Really love this. This is not available in the UK either, but you can get this on YesStyle, I think. I'm pretty sure you can, but I'll try and find a link for you guys and put it down below. But yeah, absolutely love this stuff. And the last but not least is this here, and it's the Milano CC Moisture Cream. This is by Roto Mentholatum, I think the brand is called. Oh my god, guys, this, I just love this. It's so wonderful, and it's so great for sensitive skin types. It's a type of vitamin C. I'm pretty sure it's got ascorbic acid in here, but it's fragrance free as well. It's such a gentle formula, and it's one of the only things that I've actually been able to tolerate in terms of vitamin C. Every time I've tried to use vitamin C, I just get breakouts, and my skin's just like super angry at me. It doesn't like vitamin C at all, but this is one of those things that has actually really been helpful, and I really feel like it makes my skin look a bit smoother and a little bit brighter, I would say. So I just love this. I've got a spare one of these, thankfully, so it's not all over. We're still going strong, but I'll link this down below, and I would really recommend you guys try this. I wouldn't really say that about most things, but this and CeraVe, I think, are just such wonderful products, and I would definitely tell you guys to go try it if you can, obviously. Okay guys, that is it. Those are my empties for now. I'll probably have more lined up for you in the next couple of months because I've got so many products. Head over to my Instagram and follow me on there, guys, because I share so many things on there, especially in my stories and stuff, all the new stuff that I've got or all the things that I've got already. So definitely go check me out on there, but I'll definitely have some new videos up for you soon. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.